I was born in South Texas, didn't have a dollar to our name. My papa left my mama there to pick cotton and cut down sugar cane. She had to work like a slave all day, so I might have better spend my time in the sunshine ray. I'm working, baby, I'm working. Ooh, daddy, I'm working. Yes, mama, I'm working. Brother, I'm working for you. Wanna know if it's worth it or true. I just want better, and I'm about to break on through. Baby, I'm working. Might not mean a thing to you, these places that I'd like to go, but the things that I'm looking for just ain't around no more. My uncle was a gambling man way down in New Orleans. They let me run them streets. Baby, now I do my thing. Honey, I'm working. Yeah, baby, I'm working. Sugar, I'm working. Sister, I'm working. Brother, I'm working for you. Wanna know if it's worth it or true. I just want better. Tell me what else can I do? Baby, I'm working. Sugar, I'm working. Darling, I'm working.